Ça qu'a fait. This is Reginal. Mais un petit Christmas quiz que m'pote matin. N'a pas des questions yo et n'a pas ajouté réponse yo dans commentaire. 1. What is a common abbreviation for Christmas? A. CMAS. B. Xmas. C. YMAS. 2. What do we call the night before Christmas Day? A. Christmas Eve. B. Christmas night. C. Boxing Day. 3. We always decorate our house with nuts and sweets. B. Candles and nuts. C. Lights and bulbs. 4. What do we use Christmas stockings for? A. We wear them. B. We put presents in them. C. We sleep with them. 5. We also decorate our house with branches of A. Trees. B. Holly. C. Flowers. 6. I am tall and green. You can decorate me. You can put Christmas presents under me. A. Santa Claus. B. Candle. C. Christmas tree. Number 7. What do you call the American cartoonist who created the modern image of Santa Claus? A. Thomas Jefferson. B. Thomas Nast. C. Tom and Jerry. 8. In what country did the tradition of Christmas tree originate? A. Germany. B. England. C. France. 9. What's a popular Christmas dessert? A. Chocolate. B. Pancake. C. Pudding. 10. Which famous Christmas song begins with the lyrics, "You better watch out, you better not cry"? A. Silent Night. B. Jingle Bells. C. Santa Claus is coming to town. D. Frosty the Snowman. C'est 10 questions yo, la réponse yo dans commentaire. Notez qu'on pas besoin connaître toutes. Ou ka connaître 2, 3, 5, quelle que soit quantité ou connaît, la réponse là dans commentaire. Bye everybody.